Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how I created this look. So keep watching. I'll prep my eyes with my primer and I'll be using my NYX primer. So, okay, I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids. And then I'll blend it with my fingers. I've blended this side of my eyes. Now I'll blend it this way. I've blended my primer. Now it's time to apply my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadows, I'll be using Rose Gold Edition from Huda Beauty, and I'll be using this beautiful shade Man Eater and Flink from this palette. So let's begin. I'll use this fluffy brush. This is from Color Bar number 224. This is for crease. So I'm taking this shade Henna on my brush and tapping off any extra product. And now I'll apply it on my crease. Applied it on my crease, and now it's time to apply my shade Man Eater in the outer corner of my eyes. So for that I'll use this fluffy brush. This is from PAC and it is PAC 312, if you can see it. So yeah, so I'll take this shade Man Eater and tap off shit. Alright, I have tapped off any extra product and now I'll apply it on my outer corner of the eyes to give some definition. And also I'll blend it with my product that I've applied on my crease. The perfect way of applying eyeshadow is to blend, blend, blend. Yeah, it's almost done. Now I have to apply this shade Flink, and it's glittery shade, and I'll apply it using my fingers. So yeah, I've taken this shade and now I'll apply it on my eyelid. Look how pigmented this shade is, and it is so easy to apply this pigmented shade with your fingers. So for blending it, I'll be using this flat brush. This is from PAC 102 brush number. Okay, so it's done. Now it's time to highlight my brow bone area and inner corner of my eyes. For that, I'll be applying the shade Blessed. Okay, wait. I think I'm gonna apply the shade 24K right over here and here. So for that, I'll be using my brush from PAC 263. Taking it and now what I'll do, I'll blend. Now it's time to apply this shade henna right under my lower lash line. So I'm using this flat brush to take the shade henna. Actually, you can use the same flat brush, but yeah, remember to clean it before you go with a different shade, else you will end up mixing 2-3 shades and then it won't give you the same effect. Don't worry, as I've not applied my foundation, I can clear the area which has got messed up under my eyes. So yeah, it's done. Now it's time to apply my kajal, and I'm taking this kajal from Maybelline, New York. And yeah, I'm gonna apply this just till the mid of my eyes, like till here. Like so. Yeah. Now it's time to apply my eyeliner and mascara. For my eyeliner, I'm taking this eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from NYX. It is NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner, and I love matte finish when it comes to eyeliner. I'm gonna make a wing. For my mascara, I'm using this Lash Sensational from Maybelline, and I just love this one. Also, to give more definition and volume to your eyelash and to lift it up, you can use an eyelash curler. In this video, I'm not using it, but if you want to see how you can use an eyelash curler, I'll give the link to it in my description box below. I'll just define my eyebrows like this in upward direction, and I'm gonna just shape it up. So going up and then going down, just in the direction of my eyebrows, and then I'll use this side of my eyebrow pencil to define my brows. So I'm going to apply it just where I can see the gaps in my eyebrows. And hooray, I'm done! So I'll just repeat the same process that I've done here over this side of my eyes, and then I'll be back. It's time to clean my mess using Q-tips. So yes, underneath my eyes I can see few sparkles here and there, and I'll just quickly clean it off. You can see that. And once I'm done with this, I'll apply my moisturizer and then my primer so that I can start with my foundation. I have applied my moisturizer and I've kept my face like for 2 minutes to get my moisturizer soaked inside my skin. Now it's time to apply my primer, and for that I'll be using my primer from Color Bar, and I'll take a little bit of it, and then I use my fingers to apply it, and then I'll blend it using my fingers only, or you can use a brush. I've applied my primer. Now it's time to apply my foundation, and for that I'll be using this satin finish foundation from Maybelline, and I just love this one. It's my favorite foundation. So I've taken few pumps of it, and now I'll use my fingers to apply it as in dots all over my face. So I've applied my foundation in dots all over my face and little bit on my neck, and then I'll be taking my beauty blender. This is from PAC to blend my foundation. Blending it, and it's easy to blend when you apply your foundation in dots. I also have video on how to apply your foundation using beauty blender or brush. You can check the link in the description box below. So yeah, I love the finish that beauty blender gives. It's like more of natural look, and who doesn't love the natural look? I'm done blending my foundation, and it is how it looks. I'll be using this luxury powder. This is from Revolution brand, and it's quite good, and I use this almost every time. So I've taken it, and then I'll take my fluffy brush. This one, this is from PAC 301. I'll take the powder, pat off any extra product, and then just apply it with my light hand. And to avoid any crease line underneath my eyes, I'll take generous amount of product, and I'll just do this down. And for the rest of my face, I'll just finish it off like this. For contour, I'll use my Freedom palette, and I'll be using the shade, this one, for my contour. So I'll take it in this brush. This is an angular brush, and it is PAC 305. I also have a video on contouring, so you can check it out. Now I use a fluffy brush. This one is from PAC. It is 301, to just blend off my contour. Now it's time to apply my blush, and I'll be using this shade to apply on my cheeks. And I'm using this brush. This is from PAC 303. And I'm blending it with my contour. So I'm done with my blush. Now it's time to apply my highlighter, and I'll be using this golden shade from my Freedom palette, and I'll be using this brush, the same brush that I used to apply my blush, but it's clean, so I can go with it. So I'll be applying on my cheekbones. And once I've applied it, I'll just blend it with my blush. Oh, same over here. And I'll also apply this highlighter on my bridge of my nose. So yeah, yay! And it's almost done with my face. Now it's time for my lips, and for that I'll be applying my L'Oreal lip shade. This is shade Raspberry Syrup. And on the top of this, I'll apply my shade 29. This is from Spice brand, and it's a new launch in India too. You can just give it a try. I just love the creamy look of it, and feel I didn't apply this shade directly, because this is a creamy shade and it does not last very long, but I love the shade. So before applying this shade, I applied my raspberry syrup from L'Oreal, and you can see how beautiful my lips looking.
And bye.